welcome to my another video. So today we're gonna learn how to make a coming soon page in WordPress or a countdown page. So how to WordPress install? Go to this link to see how to install WordPress in localhost using XAMPP. So now our next topic is plugin install. Step 1. Go to plugin, then from your cpanel here is the dashboard. So go to plugins from your cpanel dashboard here. Add new, go to add new, then press on upload plugin. Sorry, no upload plugin. So here search xampp. It's a plugin. Xampp means coming soon and maintenance plugin. Search xampp, then install that plugin and then active that plugin. Step number 3 is complete. Now step number 4. Active xampp plugin. Go to xampp setting, then enable it. Go to xampp setting, enable xampp mode set coming soon and landing page. Here are some ready-made template as you are seeing. We will work on it. Select it, then press on save all changes. Select your xampp template and then select save all changes. Go to content. Here is the logo setup. You can select text logo, graphic logo, or disable it. The main content is heading, and after that it is message. If you have any message, you can write here. This is bold tag. So save all changes. Here is our media. It's a still image. You can select another image from your PC or your media file. Click here the date. disable CMP plugin and display my WordPress theme. Here are some social media icons. If you have accounts in those social media, you can select it and paste your link here. I am selecting Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Skype. Here is copyright. I'm editing this section. Angle tag a hyperreference, then localhost / WordPress. You can give your name there or write your name there. Then press save all changes. Customize. Here active color, then font color. Active color is red and our font color is white. Here heading font. You can see there are many heading fonts. You can choose one of them as you wish. Here is a sample of your heading font. Here is also SEO and analytic option. If you have Google Analytics tracking ID, you can paste it here. I have no Google Analytics ID, so I'm disabled it. And this is our WordPress coming soon page or countdown page. Press F11 to full screen mode. So our countdown page or coming soon page is ready, and congrats, you are done. Find description